Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to test compression and spark on a chainsaw, or technically any machine. So I'm gonna be testing the compression on my McCullough 610 here, Pro Max 610, which I'll show you here. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you guys compression on this saw because it's a pretty hard saw to pull over, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to do a compression test on it, but I'll try. So the first thing you want to do is, so on some saws you'll have to take the engine cover off to test compression, like on this Stihl MS 170 here. You're gonna have to put this, take this cover off like that, and you're gonna take this spark plug boot off here and the spark plug to test for compression. But I'm gonna be showing you guys, actually I'll show you guys on this saw and the McCullough 610. Actually I'll start off with this saw here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this cover off, spark plug boot you're gonna take off. You're going to take the spark plug off. And so how to check for spark is, so look how dirty that spark plug is. I would clean that up. I'll clean that up because you want it to be nice and clean. So just take some paper towel or cloth. Just try to clean that up as best you can. Then, let's check for spark. Just put it back in the boot like that. And you're going to want to put it on the engine block here. Make sure the switch is on, which in this case, I believe it's on. So, put it like that. And you're going to see if you could find spark. I'm just making sure this is, oh, that's off. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's some pretty good spark there. Let me see if I can get this for you guys here. Okay, there you go. Okay, so I think you guys saw that, but I'm not sure. Turn that around. So yeah, it's got spark. So then to check for compression, you could just take the spark plug out, and then you get your compression tester. It looks something like this. Put it in the hole, the spark plug, and look there. And now look, I'm just gonna come here, and what you're gonna want to do is £120. So yeah, that's how you check for spark. spark and compression on a chainsaw. But I'm curious about what my Pro Mac 610 has, so I'm gonna do it on my Pro Mac 610. And it's basically the same exact concept, just a different saw. So this is super simple to do. If you think this is the problem on your saw, trimmer, lawnmower, that's more or less how you test it. It's not really that hard. It's a very easy thing to test, I find. So you want to get your... I like how easy this is, but I also don't really like this on this 170 because it is so incredibly hard to get it back on, I find. Sometimes it's super easy, and sometimes it's harder. So I'm going to show you guys with the 610 now. So with the 610, here the spark plug is, as you can see, in the back. So what you're gonna want to do is pop that thing, the spark plug boot off. Get your spark plug tool on it, and wow, that was pretty loose. Loosen up the spark plug, and I'm not gonna show you how to check spark for this. It's the same thing as the other one. Just put it against the engine block, put in the spark plug in the boot, and that's about it. Clean off that spark plug. Now I'm gonna get the compression tester side there. Okay, try to get to a different angle. It's kind of hard to do it like that for me because I can't really see what's going on. So you just want to tighten up the compression tester inside there, which I got it in over here. And I'm going to see if I can pull over the saw. I'm going to get on the ground for this though. So let's see if I can pull this over. Do I think I will be able to? No, but I'll try. Start on the saw is a little messed up, which is why I've never used it before really. So even with the little bit I was able to pull it over so far, still got almost 90 pounds. 90 pounds. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's got a little bit of a cord problem and I also can't really pull it over. But so far, still got almost 100, so. Oh yeah. It's usually easier for me to start it while standing up, but I don't like doing that with a compression tester. So we got like almost 100 there, and yeah, it's pretty much how you test for compression on a saw. Oh yeah. For me, that was not an easy job on this saw. So then you're just gonna put your spark plug back in. and pop that boot back in. I really want to make a video about me using the two Macs I have, or the colors I have. First being the 610 and my new 1010. So yeah, I hope that wasn't too long of a video for you guys, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.